We have subtraction of polynomials. First, we have to take down the parentheses. Before first parenthesis, we don't have any sign. It means as positive. When we have positive sign, we just take the parentheses and copy whatever we have inside. We have 5x plus 7y. Next, we have negative sign. When we have negative sign before parentheses, we have to change the sign every term in parentheses. And when we don't have sign, it means it's always positive. So we have positive before x, positive x, so now will be negative x, positive y, so now will be negative y. One more time. Here's like invisible 1, negative 1 times positive we have. So negative times positive give me negative, and negative times positive give me negative. Now we have to combine the like terms. We have 5x and negative x, and we have 7y and negative y. So we have to copy variable. We have 5x minus x, so we copy variable x, and when we don't have coefficients, always invisible 1. So now we have 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. Positive 4 because the 5 is greater than 1, so we keep the sign the greater number, so this is positive 4. We don't have to write plus. And next we have 7y minus y. Again, invisible 1 we have here, so we keep variable y, we rewrite, and we just subtract the coefficient. We have 7 minus 1. This is 6. And before cost, which is positive 6, because a greater number is positive 7 we have, and negative 1. So we keep the sign the greater number. So this is my solution. We have 4x plus 6y.